looks like a mess. Alright, radial gradient at the bottom. Can have a border on one. Maybe it's a border. Maybe it's a border on everything. Okay. So we have two bars coming down, right? These white bars. We have this half circle here, however we want to make that. And then we have this block with a green border. So I guess actually this could be full width. And then this will overlay. But actually this border here, we need it, yeah, so I do want this to be a radial gradient. That means it has to be, this can't be a border. This white block here can't be a border. That's a radial gradient. Unless it's a lower level thing. Okay, so I think this is just going to be a p tag. It's going to be its own thing on top. This will be the HTML, this will be the body. We're going to use position fixed freely. Let's get rid of that. Let's see what we can do. All right. Okay. Start out background of green. I think that we do need that. Actually, what I might do is leave that be, and then have two p tags. One's going to be a single block. I think this will be my body. All right. It's going to be that. You know what? I don't need a border on it. Not with what I'm planning. All right. Let's get this all the way down. Interesting dimensions. 145 and 0. Okay. So white block is good. And then what we can do is let's get two p tags going. And then we can do p, it's going to get position fixed. I'm back. That was unnecessary. What am I doing? Okay. I can do this. You know what? I just realized something. If I did border block, these look about half of this. So this could be one p tag. With that, yeah, I like it. Okay. Really need to focus. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, let's change that. And go border, not block, border inline. And the reason I do border inline is because it solid and alright. 20, let's go about 40, 50, 60, there we are. And then if we change the margin, we come back down to almost that. Okay. 5, nope, 60. Needs to be a bit bigger. No, that ain't right. What do we got? What is actually happening here? Okay, it's not big enough. Okay. It's not that big. Let's change it to Q. Let's actually, because we have to use position fixed anyways, let's move it up to here. And then our margin can be a lot simpler. It's gone because we need padding. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Those are showing up, but where's our body? Okay, I don't want position fixed here. Let's get this back up. But let's figure out our width. Don't need padding on the body. What we need is to margin it into place so it becomes one solid block, right? Okay, there we are. Okay. Let's get this right. Left and right, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so it's too much. 60. And then 42, 43, 44, 45. There we go. Let's get this top one right. No, 75. Okay, that's working now, and that seems pretty good. Okay. So then, since this is position fixed, we can just give it padding, and let's get rid of this one for the moment, just so we can work on one at a time. We're gonna give it 50 by 100. We're gonna have to margin it back into the screen, so let's overwrite the margin. Let's see where it is. It's nowhere. We have a p tag. We should have the border inline on it. Position fixed. It's margin. There it is. Okay. There we go. We're gonna need like 150, not 150. 80, something like that. I'm gonna get it pushed up top. Okay, let's bring it in a bit. Actually, So the border is a little bit bigger on those. It's unfortunate. I was really hoping it was going to be like symmetrical. You know? So that it would cover the whole space instead of having to rewrite the width of the border. That's a good way of handling that. Let's just wrap it in a var, I guess. Alright. Reassign it. What are we going to do? Like 64Q? Oh, that's pretty close. Let's go to 65. That's about right. I think changing the Q has thrown everything off, so let's go back to pixels on this one. Oof, I don't think I'm going to win on this. Okay. It's pretty good. Let's get this thing lined up. Left, right. 30, 140, 40. Margin. It's not margining for me. Oh boy. Pressing. It's way too late for me to be messing with this. I am all over. There we are. 25. It's definitely off. Okay, that's a little bit better. There we go. That's probably much better. Yeah, that's already looking better. Alright, let's get this back down to 75. Okay. I can live with that. That will work. Let's take you off. 6. Okay. That's the margin. Okay. Just gonna have to live with that, I think. Everything else is looking good. Let's get our second P tag in there. Alright. Let's do this way. It's going to be like 70 pixels, and then we're going to do this. V 0 to 100 pixels, and then we're going to go transparent. And let's margin this into place so we can see it. Oh, I know why we can't see it. Oh, the border. Oh well, actually that's easy to fix because we already have the variable set up for it. Okay. And we can say add bottom. There we go. And we can get our padding set up better. sectioned up into place. 180, 90, 210, 220 it looks like. It's the bottom of it. Yep. Let's get it locked back over into the right spot. 150. Okay, we just gotta walk that gradient up a bit. There we go. And then walk this one up to where it belongs. 150 to 60. Nope. 45 it looks like. Nope. 35? Yeah. And it's happy. I'm not. This is a mess. I'm glad I did it with borders, but it's almost midnight here. We traveled today. I'm glad I'm getting this done. You know, still doing it, but it's not the best time. But you do the best you can with what you got. Okay. I should have hit submit before I did all that. I'm gonna leave it no matter what. 99.2. That is terrible. That's a 99.2. Oh well, that's what it is. Let's just take our 3 extra characters too anyways. My first solution probably would have gotten me 100%. I would have been done a lot quicker. It's okay. It's okay. It's a game. Bye.